Welcome back to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and last time I solved the mystery of the dual screen illusion.
Ah, yeah, that's the problem.
Limping for my life.
Another flashback. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't let it hold me. Just keep pressing that A button. Just keep pressing the A jump button, I should say. Oh, made it.
And listen to a disjointed announcer.
Sweet. What the?
Introduce F3, Fatalistic Financial Forecasting.
What?
Extend your destiny, the Emoto world. Frank, banking, love, infinity.
I'm sorry, but what?
Now we shall continue where we left off, and if you haven't seen the first 3 parts, go and watch those first and come back here later. But those who have, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of the Dishwatcher Vampire Smile, Part 4.
Oops, oh dear. Maybe I should have used that magic ability. Well, let's try this again. Oh, come on. I know I can do this time. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, come on. Game review. Shall be what? Frustrated? Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Might as well eat some bread while I'm at it. Come on, you can do this. You can do. Oh, whoa, whoa, come on. You can do it, you can do it. Oh, come on! That was so close. Okay, how many takes with that? I lost count. Yeah, I'm definitely getting my marshmallow kick. Oh, come on. Where are they all coming from? Wait, do I? Oh, I don't use my items again. This might take a while, folks. Oh, come on. Ugh. I can do this. Oh, come on! Gee, this is really starting to tick me off. Whoa, now I got somewhere. Oh, come on! You're really pushing me to the limit here. Come on. Oh, come on! Come on, now stay there. Come on. Gotcha! And stay down! You ungrateful bar stool. Oh, time out for a second.
A few moments later.
Yeah, sorry about that. Just had to take care of something. Okay, let's continue. I wonder how long that took, really. We're in the belly of the breaking empire. Empire, huh? Mr. I didn't have time to read all that, so let's keep moving forward, everybody. Let's buy some more bread. Maybe I should have bought that as well. My bad. Wait, maybe just in case. Oh boy, here we go again. Oh. Oops. I was careless.
Okay, that's the end of part 4. Check back with me later for the final part throughout October as I clean up the mess in the dishwasher. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.